Hello and welcome to a new day of Nextdoor automation, build in public. Can't remember which day we are. We are past 36, probably 37. You will see it in the video title anyway. And my name is Eric. In this video, I'm going to review the services that we can offer business owners who try to get leads and have more visibility on Nextdoor and don't have the time to spend and be on the app all the time. We help for them to have a better planning, better marketing messages, and get more visibility. So in this video, I'm going to quickly review my channel and all the videos I've done since the beginning. So more than a month now, and I have done a series of videos, some of them being industry focused, some of them having a specific niche analyzed, and some other videos where you see some tips and hacks and strategies in order to get most of the visibility. So I leave in the comment section description of that video a link for you to download the blueprint of the standard operation procedures that I recommend to implement for your business. If you want to do it by yourself, there's of course no problem. That will give you a good idea of what to do in order to get visibility. And if you have no time to do that and you have budget to allocate for my company to do these services for you, if you want to expand to other cities, expand in other locations, and to grow your business faster, give me a shout in the comments, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more video reviews like this one, or if you want to have your industry reviewed. And so you will see here I've created also some playlist where you can have all the different tips spread out on several videos, but also a playlist for different niches analyzed. So for example, I've already covered the car detailing niche, the pet sitting, the gutter cleaning, the people who are interested in gardening and landscaping, the event industry with a specific focus, for example, on tent rentals. I also analyzed the photographer, the bike doctor, bike shops, the beauty salon, the massage parlor, the HVAC industry, the news broadcaster, and so on. And I will bring some more as the time passes. And so if you follow the link in the description, you can download for free my SOP. And I will then review and make not a shout out, but a reference to some of my previous videos. So I came across this post just now where this profile, probably a lady, who has joined just recently. We are the 16th of August. She joined on the 7th of August. The Nextdoor app for business. And well, she wants to use this to promote her activity in relation to Montessori childcare. So I made a nice video analysis on that. Probably this person has not seen my video because I'm still, let's say, very new channel and don't get so much coverage. But if that person sees this video, she can relate to my other video where I analyze the Montessori niche in Vancouver more precisely, and how to get more visibility and leads for her business. So she will also learn how to improve her profile with a proper banner, put her face here in the logo picture, add a bio on her personal profile, create a group, post in the group, post every day, only one commercial post a day. So I condense all my advices in short sentences and relay to, and also create a professional page on the professional side of Nextdoor if she has a company, or not even, but I think it's feasible to do that, and use all the tricks on Nextdoor in order to get a maximal visibility. Another one that I have reviewed also from another lady who has also joined not a long time ago, end of July, and she is promoting some beauty treatment. So here again, I've created and analyzed the beauty salon niche, massage parlors, so she could also refer to my previous videos, and also for her improve her personal profile. She has added at least an address here, and yeah, that's her pro page, by the way, and that's good because in her post, in that case, she linked her pro page within her post, and we can see here she started creating it, so that's all good for them. And so I review every day, or not every day, but when I see an interesting post, I review business opportunities, and I give advices in order to boost your presence and get more leads. So if you have interest in doing that, externalizing this service, do not hesitate to reach me. We can have a quick chat and see if your request fits our services, and we can go from there. That's it for now. And I'll see you tomorrow. That was today a very short one. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you tomorrow.